This is the specific heat capacity interactive calculator, which solves for 6 different thermal energy variables using the fundamental heat transfer equation. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: calculate heat energy Q, calculate mass M, calculate specific heat capacity C, calculate temperature change, delta T, calculate final temperature T2, and calculate initial temperature T1. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate heat energy Q. Below that are 6 input fields: mass M, where you enter mass; specific heat capacity C, where you enter specific heat; heat energy Q, where you enter heat energy; temperature change delta T, where you enter temperature change; initial temperature T1, where you enter initial temp; and final temperature T2, where you enter final temp. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter 10 for mass M, 10 for specific heat capacity C, and 10 for temperature change delta T. After clicking Calculate, the results show a calculated value of 1000 J. The output confirms heat energy Q equals 1000 J, mass M equals 10,000 kilo, specific heat C equals 10.0 J per kilogram K, and temperature change equals 10,000 K. The interpretation states energy is absorbed by the material, meaning the system gains 1000 J of thermal energy. This calculator streamlines thermal calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.